Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Solana. The ticker is SOL versus USD. This is traded on Binance. For those of you not got a Binance account, there's always links in the CoinsKid.com section and also on each and every video description. So right now, Sol's looking relatively healthy. I did do a spot of technical analysis, a post on Twitter about a week ago, I think it was, roughly around about then. I think someone requested it, so I did a little update and an image-based TA. Right now, do follow me on Twitter, and if you want any TA or anything like that, just get in touch, message me on Telegram or Twitter, or tag me or something like that, and I will get around to taking a look and hopefully making a video, okay, for you, because I want to get as much information out there to people as possible. Okay, so right now, Sol's looking relatively healthy for continuation and looking for more upside. It's broken out of a key level resistance. It's looking relatively strong. Okay, is Sol. So basically, there is a bit of a hidden bullish divergence here that's playing out so far. Okay, so in the price action, in the RSI, I do apologise, this is called the RSI. You've got a high, a low, and then a lower low and a lower low. Okay, so the RSI is falling, but in the price action here, you had the opposite of that. You had higher lows. Okay, that's called a hidden bullish divergence, and you can see that it's effectively playing out. Okay, so this particular hidden bullish divergence is played out, come up to this level just there. Okay, got rejected, rolled over, created another lower low. In the price action, you're creating this beautiful hidden bullish divergence, which is playing out right now, and this is really, really good. Okay, so what you do need to see for Sol for continuation, obviously, it's just created a bit of a bull flag just there. I did post this on Twitter. You're above the EMAs. This is a daily time frame. Okay, so it's looking relatively healthy for continuation. There is a breakout target here for Sol, which I'm going to show you. Okay, so effectively what you've got here is one big horizontal triangle. Look at this. Okay, so you've come up into it, and as you're fully aware, when you come up into these patterns or continuation patterns, if you fall into them, continuation patterns to the downside, you've broken a key level resistance right there. So you do have a technical breakout target here for Sol. Okay, and it's from the first point of contact to the bottom, and you can see that you've broken out this particular level of resistance just there. This way you could see a lovely little pump up to this level for Sol. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This would be a continuation of the bull market for Sol. You are looking good here. Okay, you've broken out, you've rolled back to a key level support, you're bouncing off the 55 EMA. What you would want to see here, because you are currently in a bearish cross, okay, a sell and go to the peak signal from CoinsKid. You rolled over, you carried out a correction, you've come back down. You're creating beautiful high lows there, okay, and you've got the hidden bullish divergence, which is playing out. Your stock RSI just is getting a little bit overextended, hence why you've had that little roll down, forming that little bull flag. Okay, so even this little bull flag is a technical target. I'm going to show you that in a moment. But there is a slight bearish divergence there. Unless you can come up, break this high with substance, and get a higher high in the RSI, there is potentially a bit of a bearish divergence there. If you go on to make a high just there, okay, if you make a high and this bearish divergence, you don't get a higher high in the stock RSI, in the RSI, sorry. This is where you could see another little roll back to support, potentially the 55, okay, to hold as support. So do anticipate that. So far, it's looking relatively healthy, looking good. You've broken out key level of resistance just there, this trend line. You see this? When you break out of these horizontals, you have continuation pattern, and this is where you could see the potential upside for Sol. So from here right now, you could be looking at a further 84% upside for Sol, bringing you up to $66.52, which would be lovely, providing you can hold support. Okay, you're above the EMAs, which is good, but what you're going to get here, right, and this is a confirmation statement of an uptrend. Once you get this golden cross, this is a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid. Okay, if you start to see that yellow line cross above the red line, that's called a golden cross on a daily time frame. That's where the 20 crosses 55. That's called a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid. Bitcoin's just printed one, Ethereum's just printed one, and they're holding support relatively well. And this is what you want to see. If we look back in the history of Sol, okay, this wave 2 pullback that Sol went through, when was it? Last September, when with that correction, and everyone thought we were entering a bear market. We had that death cross, which we've just had. We are currently in a death cross. We start to pick up, looking really, really well. We prevented a little bit of a bullish cross here, buy and go to the beat signal. We had a deeper correction just there, where we did pump up, and we created this beautiful buy and go to the beat signal on Sol. So if you are looking for a confirmation of a reversal here for Sol, and a confirmation of an uptrend, do anticipate this particular signal could be it, because they don't come around every day. Okay, the buy and go to the beat signal. Okay, we're so close to forming it. You're in a big massive horizontal triangle, which continuation pattern. You've broke out, you've held it as support, back testing the EMAs. You're looking for continuation. It looks healthy, it looks good. Okay, but like I said to you, in the stock RSI, you're a little bit overextended, and that's why you've had that little roll just there, coming back to a key level support. It would be nice if you could get the stock RSI down in here. Okay, so if you do see the stock RSI in the floor down here, you know, this could be an optimal entry point as well for yourself if you're looking to enter Sol. Again, not financial advice, but so far so good. It's looking relatively healthy for continuation. As long as you continue to hold these support levels right now for Sol, you're looking great and looking golden to get to $66. Okay, so I'm just going to have a quick look. That's a daily time frame. Have a quick look at all the other time frames. So on the weekly, yeah, you're above the EMAs, you're looking really bullish. You've actually created a higher low just there. Look, you've got the high lows, you know that anyway. You rolled over, you've created a higher high, a lower high, sorry, rolled over, started to create a higher low, and now if you can break up against this main key level of resistance as well at $42, this is where you're going to get the confirmation statement, you know, that you're breaking this high, and you're going to come up to this $66 as well, beating the all-time high here for Sol. So it looks good, it looks healthy for continuation. You're not too overextended on the weekly. You look at the weekly RSI, so this is where you can see this beautiful waveform. Okay, look, down here you had this correction. What happened? You went in the floor in the stock, and then you had that beautiful upside where you got overextended, you know, a bit of greed, bit of FOMO in the market here. You've rolled back to a key level support, you're holding it relatively well, you're in the floor in the stock. So basically you can look at that beautiful waveform taking you up to the end of the bull run here and the continuation, because this is how it works in waveforms. Okay, look, waveforms. It's how the market's completely work in waveforms and human emotion, and you know, you're looking for great continuation here, because look, if you get this next wave coming up like that and you top out just there, yeah, that's where you want to take some profits for Sol. Okay, in these waveforms like that, buy the bottom, sell the tops, buy the bottom, sell the tops. Basically, the more you zoom out, the more you see it. Okay, so that's Sol. Take care, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that update. I will try and stay regularly updates with Sol. I must give you the bearish scenario. Okay, a key level of support, to be honest with you. Obviously the 20 weekly EMA, you're right now above it, you're getting a close above it, you're holding its support. This is great. If you can continue to hold this, okay, this is fantastic. If you do see a roll, you do need to see Solana hold $30.24 at the moment, but as time goes on and you continue in this uptrend, because like I said to you, if you're above the EMAs on any time frame, you're in an uptrend. Okay, if you continue to hold this in an uptrend, this lower support band, the 20 EMA on the weekly, creeps up and creeps up. Okay, take care, everyone. Back tomorrow with another update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for your support. Bye bye.